Okay, in this video we'll have a look at circles. So the equation of a circle. And in GCSE we just need a circle with the center at the origin. So a circle with center 0, 0. Bear that in mind. What we're learning here is only true if the center is the origin, and radius r has equation x squared plus y squared equals r squared. And if this reminds you of Pythagoras' theorem, it's because it is. It comes from that. Okay, so that's it. X squared plus y squared equals radius squared. So we'll have a look. At the example on page 185. So it says construct. Okay, construct the graph of x squared plus y squared equals 36. So first you look at this, x squared plus y squared, you think only the circle looks like that, nothing else. So that will be a circle, and then you make sure that the radius is not 36. Okay, this is r squared. So the radius of the circle is 6. One of the most common mistakes that even A-level students make is forgetting that this is r squared and not r. And then it said construct. So we would have to draw a circle with a pair of compasses. So what we'll do is, I'll just have this as 6 because I didn't draw this big enough. So you put your compass there, the sharp pointy end you put there, you open it up so that the other end with the pencil is here, or there, or there, or there, and then just draw a circle. Unfortunately, they said construct, so we have to make it very accurate, but it will look something like that. And that's it. You will sometimes have to work with circles. We'll do some more work with circles later, but for now, just this is all you've got to remember. And that's it. And that the center is the origin. So now you can just practice. I would like you to do question 10b and d, and then question 11. Question 11 is a lovely question. Now, before I let you go, I just wanted to do a little summary of the different types of graphs we had. So first we had straight lines, so linear graphs, which were like straight lines this way or that way, or horizontal or vertical. Quadratic graphs, these were parabolas, so either smiling or sad face. Not both. Then we had, I think cubics was the next one. Cubic graphs that either looked like that, or like that, or without those two humps. We had reciprocal graphs, which either looked like this or the other way around. So hopefully you saw that when you were practicing. And we had a circle. Okay, so let's just write down the forms of these as well. So linear graphs were y equals mx plus c. Quadratics were, well, we just call them ax squared plus bx plus c. So we've got an x squared term. We can have an x term and a constant term as well. B or C can be 0. A cannot be 0. That's what makes it quadratic, that there is an x squared term. Cubic is the same with x cubed. It can have an x squared term, it can have an x term, it can have a constant term, but it's not necessary as long as there's a cubic. Reciprocals were k over x, and the circle is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. And in the exam, they do these matching things. So they give you an equation, probably with numbers instead of these ABC letters. They will give you something, and you'll have to match it to a little picture. So here's your cheat sheet for that one. And good luck for the rest of today's lesson. Have a nice weekend, and I'll see you next week.